This is the Westinghouse elevator in the Macy store. Your standard analog indicator. Scope 3. Door close button does not work.
Look at that.
Hold up.
Where's the elevator?
Door close button does not work. Here we go. Relay controller. They replaced the controller. A little bouncy. Awesome dinner bell. There's everyone's favorite dinner bell. Hit it down.
Yeah. Right down?
Which floor?
Second.
Back down to 1, 2.
Will we be able to fit?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
You going to?
We'll just sign them up.
Installed in 1986. Installed in 1986.
Taught a lot of people that, huh?
Wow.
Oh yeah, I heard it. There you go.
Thank you so much for your help.
I'm gonna head down 1, then back up to 2.
We stuck.
No, you're good.
Alright.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm gonna have to go.
You too.